Process is quite easy and simple. Just pick up your AirPods, and at the back you can see there is a button. So simply first open up your AirPods and press that button for around 4 to 5 seconds until the white light. Your AirPods Pro are open to pairing. So what you need to do is simply go and here tap on this Apple icon, and once you are here you need to go to system preferences, and once here you need to go to this Bluetooth. Here click on this, and here you can see the name of the AirPods device that is around you. So what you need to do is simply go and click on connect, and it says connected. Now you can use it directly, but I have one tip for you, that you need to go and check this out, show Bluetooth in your menu bar. So if you check this out, you can see this Bluetooth here. Now you can directly disconnect and connect and set preferences or settings or whatever you want to in your for your AirPods. So hopefully by doing so you will be able to set up your AirPods and set up as you want on your Mac. So hopefully it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.